Peace be upon you and hi again, another video on the topic freezing. In this video, we will continue with two subtopics, which is freezer burn and freezing methods and equipment. Freezer burn is dehydration that accompanies the freezing process, causing drying out of food at its surface and tendency of the food to lose its moisture. Food surface shows white patches and become tough that lead to nutrient loss. When food is frozen, water or moisture vapor removed from the frozen surface by drier cold air and sublimation occur, causing desiccation or extreme dryness. Freezer burn can be caused by torn or unsealed packages, packaging not moisture and vapor resistant, or too much air in the package. However, this can be prevented by making sure all packages are tightly sealed. Use airtight and vapor-resistant materials for packaging, and always press out all air in wrapped foods or use vacuum packaging. Selection of equipment should take the following factors into consideration: freezing time and rate, size, shape, and packaging requirements of food, batches or continuous operation, which depends on production scale and number of product types. The main goal of freezing is to achieve rapid maximum crystallization zone between -1 and -5.5 degrees Celsius. The freezing is complete when the equilibrium temperature reaches -18 degrees Celsius. In this video, we will share 4 freezing methods. The first method is blast freezing. Food is frozen by exposure to powerful blast of cold air under forced circulation at temperature ranging from -18 to -40 degrees Celsius. Various systems are available such as cabinet, tunnel, belt, and fluidized bed. For cabinet, tunnel, and belt system, food are placed on trays or on conveyors. Counter-current flow of cold air is forced to flow on the products to be frozen. For fluidized bed freezing, foods are placed on a perforated mesh. Cold air is flowed from below under pressure and high velocity, making the foods to float in the air current. Agitation and surface contact with food will freeze the food very fast. The second method is plate freezing. Food is frozen by contact with metal plate, which is cooled by circulating cold brine or refrigerant. Packaged foods are sandwiched under slight pneumatic pressure between two plates of cold metals to be frozen. A good surface contact between food and metal gives some advantages over the air freezing technique, which is minimizing moisture loss. The third method is crab heat exchanger. This method is almost similar to the plate freezing method. Foods in liquid, slurry, or paste form are spread thinly on a cool metal surface, and then once frozen, it is immediately scraped away. Products such as ice cream are frozen using this method to reduce formation of large ice crystals. The fourth and the last method is cryogenic freezing. Cryogenic freezing provides the fastest cooling freezing techniques by the use of extremely low temperature of the freezing agent. Cryogenic freezing agents that commonly used are liquid nitrogen and liquid carbon dioxide. Cryogenic agent is sprayed directly onto foods, and the freezing process occurs instantly. That brings us to the end of our video. I hope you will have gained an insight into the topic freezing. That is all from us till we meet again in the next video.